Today I'm going to show you how to use the Woodyard Embroidery's DTF gang sheet builder. Start at woodyardembroidery.com, hover over DTF transfers, and click Build Your Gang Sheet. Here you can choose between our 12 by 10 and our 12 by 30 inch gang sheets. For this example, I'm going to select the 12 by 30 size and click Build a Gang Sheet. Once the builder opens, start a new gang sheet. I'm going to upload a design from my computer. For the best results, use a high-resolution PNG file with a transparent background, ideally around 300 dpi. Once your artwork is uploaded, click it and add it to the sheet. From here, you can resize the design, adjust the width and height, and drag it into position. Make sure your artwork stays inside the printable area. The builder will also show you the image resolution, so you can make sure the design stays high quality. If you want multiple copies of the same design, AutoBuild makes this really easy. Choose how many copies you want, click Apply, and the builder will arrange them to fit the available space. You can also upload additional designs and mix different artwork and sizes on the same gang sheet to use as much of the available space as possible. Once everything looks the way you want it, click Save and Add to Cart. The builder will run a quality check and make sure there are no low-resolution images, overlapping designs, or artwork outside the printable area. Give your gang sheet a name, confirm that you have permission to use the artwork, and add it to your cart. From there, just proceed through checkout, enter your shipping information, and place your order. Woodyard Embroidery will receive the finished print-ready file and take it from there. From there, just proceed throughout the checkout. From there, just proceed through checkout. From there, just proceed through checkout. Enter your shipping information and place your order. We will receive the finished print-ready file and take it from there. Thank you.